Hi, now let us learn what is marine pollution. Discharge of waste substance into sea is referred as the marine pollution. It makes harmful to fishes and other living organisms, and also it changes the physical, chemical and biological properties of seawater. This is referred as the marine pollution. Now let us see what is coral reef. Most of the people living nearer to the coastal area. The coastal zone contains rich heritage, coral reefs, wetlands and sea grass beds. What are the benefits of coral reefs? Reefs support more than 1 million species. They provide feeding, breeding, nursery areas to fish and shellfish. They offer medicine and also they protect coastal lines from storms. It valued for $47,000 and it is a great habitat for 2,000 species. Now let us see what are the sources of marine pollution. Dumping the waste. Dumping the untreated waste and sewage into oceans. This is the main reason for the marine pollution, and rivers with waste finally mingled with ocean. And also agricultural discharges, fertilizers, pesticides, heavy metals are mixed into seawater. And also a huge quantity of plastic is dumped into sea. All this makes the marine polluted area. Now let us see how the oil pollute the marine water. The huge damage on marine ecosystem by oil and petroleum products. Let us see some example for that. Cracks of oil tankers and ship accidents allow the leakage of oil into the seawater, and that reduces the oxygen level in the seawater, and it deposits on the rocks and earth of the sea and affects the habitats of sea animals. Look at this picture. The oil is spread over the water. Now let us see what are the effects of marine pollution. The heavy metals and organic pollutants affect the egg, shell and tissues. About 50,000 to 250,000 birds killed every year by oil spill. The rate of oxygen uptake by water reduced. It inhibits photosynthesis and oxygen formation, and also it inhibits the growth of plankton. Now let us see the control measures. Plans for conserving marine biodiversity must be taken into the account of human needs, and also people should be educated about the marine ecosystem and its benefit, and also local community must be involved in the protecting and managing their coastal area. Social and economic incentive must be offered for the conservation of marine ecosystem. The facts that all oceans are connected must be reflected in the policies. Government must manage their own waters while extending cooperation to the neighbors. Now let us see the other control measure. The industrial should be key pollution control instruments. The urban growth near the coastal should be regulated. The need of the fishermen should be fulfilled. Now let us see the methods of removal of oil. Physical method. Suction device is the simplest method. With the help of that we can remove the oil from the marine, and oil absorbed by the suitable absorbing agent. And then polyurethane foam is the best absorbent. With the help of that we can remove the oil. And then chopped straw and sawdust are also the good absorbent. And then we can use some of the chemical method, that is dispersion, emulsification. With the help of that we can remove the oil. And then let us see the productive measure. Municipal and industrial waste should be treated. Coastal waste should be analyzed periodically to know the pollution level, and recreational beaches should be maintained to keep the hygienic and aesthetic value.